Assalamu alaikum, this is Haris. Today we are going to discuss symbolic representation of vector. We can represent a vector by using either a bold letter or either an arrowhead. So just like an acceleration vector we do have. So acceleration is being represented with the letter A. So you can see this acceleration we can represent it with the bold letter A, or we can even represent with the letter A with arrowhead. This is called arrowhead. Okay, then even you can see the force. Force could also be represented in the two ways. They both are vectors. So vector F or vector force may be represented in the bold letter or either with a arrowhead on it in this way. Likewise, velocity vector V could be represented as the bold letter, and it could be represented as letter V with the arrowhead. Keep remember, either we will use the bold letter or either we will use a simple letter with an arrowhead. Right here you can see the difference. These are the bold letters and these are the normal letter with an arrowhead. Okay, both are the correct way to represent a vector. Today we are going to discuss about graphical representation of a vector. So just like we do have a velocity vector, vectors are many, just like the force, acceleration, velocity, displacement, many more vectors we do have, momentum. There are so many vectors we do have. Just like the velocity vector we want to represent, vectors having three things: magnitude, direction, and their specified units. So just like the velocity of 50 meter per second, so 50 is representing its magnitude, meter per second is representing its unit, and its direction we do have, that is north. We want to represent a velocity vector of 50 meter per second in the direction of north. So how we could represent this vector 50 meter per second in the direction of north? So first we must know what is north, south, east, west. There are four directions basically: north, south, east, west. So we have to imagine or we have to suppose a scale, because 50 is very large number. Okay, if it is small, so even we can use the direct that numbers as a scale, but 50 is very large number. We cannot represent 50 easily on a scale. So we have to choose a suitable scale. 1 centimeter represents 10 meter per second. Why? There's no hard and fast rule that we must choose 1 centimeter as 10 meter per second. You can even imagine an scale representing 1 centimeter as 12 meter per second, 1 centimeter as 5 meter per second, 1 centimeter representing 20 meter per second. It is totally up to you. Okay, so we have to choose first a scale. Likewise, I have imagined right here 1 centimeter represent 10 meter per second. We want to represent 50. So this 50, how it comes? If 1 centimeter is representing as 10 meter per second, so 5 such centimeters represent the 50 meter per second. Now we have to represent it in the direction of north. North we do have this direction. Okay, so we do choose a 5 centimeter line that is being represented on the north direction. Likewise, this you can use scale right here and represent a 5 centimeter line. Yes, accurately in the direction of north. This direction we have represented 5 centimeter line that is basically representing 50 meter per second. So we have represented a vector graphically. We do call it graphical representation of a vector. In the same way, if you want to represent a force vector of 100 Newton in the direction of west, so what we do choose a suitable scale. Likewise, 1 centimeter represents 20 Newton. So 5 such centimeters represents 100 Newton. And west, we all know, we do have the direction north, this one, east, west, south. So we want to represent a vector in this direction. Okay, so we do have a scale and we do draw the line of 5 centimeter in this way. This is west. Yes, exactly, 5 centimeter line, 5 centimeter. Yes, we have represented exactly a 100 Newton force, which is being represented with 5 centimeter line. There's no hard and fast rule that what must be the scale value. It is totally up to you. Either 1 centimeter represents to 25 Newton, either you may represent 1 centimeter as 50 Newton. It is totally up to you. Okay, this is all about. Kindly comment and share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.